Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is going to be very exciting because today I will teach you some phrases with which you can easily tell someone that you are learning French. For all the phrases that I teach you, find someone in your family, someone in your home, and tell them that you have decided to learn a new language. Tell them in French with the help of the phrases that I am about to teach you next. The purpose of teaching you these phrases early on is for you to have the opportunity to immediately start practicing your speaking skills. So, without further ado, let's get started. C'est parti. The first phrase is J'apprends le français. J'apprends le français. I am learning French. Parce que c'est ma passion. Parce que c'est ma passion. Because it's my passion. Or parce que c'est intéressant. Parce que c'est intéressant. Because it's interesting. Or parce que j'aime la langue française. Because I love the French language. Je vais étudier pour 30 minutes tous les jours. Je vais étudier pour 30 minutes tous les jours. I will study for 30 minutes every day. Now, if you're feeling a bit more motivated, you can easily make it up to 1 hour and say une heure. Une heure. Je vais étudier pour une heure tous les jours. Et bientôt, je parlerai français couramment. Et bientôt, je parlerai français couramment. And soon I will speak French fluently. Souhaite-moi bonne chance. Souhaite-moi bonne chance. Wish me luck. So, let's put all these sentences together. J'apprends le français parce que c'est intéressant. Je vais étudier pour 30 minutes tous les jours. Et bientôt, je parlerai le français couramment. Souhaite-moi bonne chance. Bravo! You have learned many phrases in French. Put them to practice and I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!